And because the focus was on Bihar and Andhra Pradesh in the beginning itself of the speech, they definitely got some special packages, if not special status right away. So NDA allies have responded to this NDA budget bonanza. Nitish Kumar has said, happy with the budget. Nitish Kumar, Bihar Chief Minister and NDA ally as well. In many ways, remember, it's the seats of Bihar and Andhra Pradesh that added to the tally for the BJP with regard to Lok Sabha seats. Nitish Kumar therefore has said Bihar's infrastructure growth will now rise. Chandrababu Naidu also, the TDP leader and of course the CM of the state, Chandrababu Naidu has said Andhra Pradesh has been given oxygen. Thankful for the funding given to Andhra Pradesh. Our goal, says Chandrababu Naidu, is zero poverty and will work for that under Prime Minister Modi's leadership. So clearly the allies are happy, TDP leader and the Janata Dal united, because two parties that added to the Lok Sabha tally for the BJP and made it into a third tenure clearly for NDA. Let's listen in then to what have the allies said, because if the opposition is fuming, the allies are clearly happy.
हम लोग विशेष राज्य का दर्जा कह रहे थे, और अगर विशेष राज्य का दर्जा बहुत लोगों का था कि पहले से बंद कर दिया गया है इसलिए, तो उसके चलते एक सहायता के लिए बिहार के विकास के लिए मदद होना चाहिए, मदद होना चाहिए बिहार को, तो वो तो करना शुरू कर दिए.
వెంటిలేటర్ పై నుండి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్ర ఆర్థిక వ్యవస్థకి ఇప్పుడు ఆక్సిజన్ ఇచ్చారు. ఇది ఆక్సిజన్ మాత్రమే, ఇది ప్రారంభం మాత్రమే. ఇక్కడి నుంచి మనం కూడా కష్టపడాలి, కేంద్రం సహకరించాలి. ఈ రెండు తీసుకొని మనం ముందుకు పోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. అదే మరిగా దేశ ఈ రోజు మీరు చూస్తే కేంద్రం కూడా ఒక బడ్జెట్ పెట్టారు, చాలా పాజిటివ్ గా ఒక ప్రోగ్రెస్ పాలసీ తీసుకొచ్చారు.
So clearly this is definitely the highlight, while Nitish Kumar, Chandrababu Naidu understandably appreciating the mentions that they have got, if not special category, but the special packages that have come in. But how that has turned into a full-blown political showdown.